Where's the monster, Kelsey?
Right there by the closet.
Oh, right here?
Uh-huh.
Daddy? Ah! Oh, not there. By the closet. Oh, I don't see any monster. Okay. Ah! Oh my goodness. Was that the monster?
That's the monster.
Oh
Where is he? He's in that closet. Go get him, Kelsey. He's gonna come out and get you. And eat you all gone.
Well, I guess he must be up there.
He's gonna eat you
Really?
like a chicken nugget. Gonna make you a Kelsey nugget.
no! Oh my goodness. You were right, Kelsey.
I'm gonna kill him. That's the monster.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna be Buzz Lightyear.
Getting him?
Did you get him like Buzz Lightyear does?
Dead now.
He's dead now. How do you know that? Kelsey, did you hear that? No. Michelle's in having a baby.
Less than an hour. Okay. Okay. Fine.
What are you waiting?
They say within an hour probably.
Really?
Yeah.
When did they go?
Daddy.
Yes.
When did they go to the hospital?
Just an hour. I got a cake.
About an hour ago?
Right here.
And she's gonna have it in less than an hour? Oh my goodness. Do you hear that, Kelsey? You were right. Cody's gonna have another brother or sister. I think he's gonna have a sister.
You have to do.
Look at me. Hi, gorgeous. Get so close. I can't see when you're that close. Uh-oh. No, not so close. Further away. Do something cute. Okay, we'll try again later. Goodbye. Go. Uh-oh. Wait.
Dark and cheat.
Kiss the back.
Sitting with my brother.
Okay, he is a dork. Okay, now, what do you say he is, guys?
Double dork and double geek. Geek.
Say double dork, Kelsey.
Double dork. And geek. And geek. Come on. Tell Daddy. Say it. Say it.
In this desert that I call my soul.
Hi. Say roar.
I always play the starring role. So
Hey, get up, get up.
lonely.
Get up.
Yep, I think he's a dork. Hey, dork.
I'm all alone.
I'm beautiful.
Say hey, dork.
My beautiful hey dork. Go roar.
Kelsey, do you love your brother?
I would lay there.
Aww.
Hey, double dork. A double dork.
Care about me.
No,
Who's
she
Cocoa
doesn't.
Puffs?
Turn the camera off.
Eat
Kelsey.
them all gone. I'm gonna eat you all gone.
That is the ending of the play Double Dorks and Geeks. Bye-bye. Turn it off, please.
You are a dork and a geek now. Oh no! Dork and a geek. Oh no, he's in the back. Oh my goodness, Kelsey really laughing hard.
Here, do that again, Sean.
Sure.
Get that on tape. Do again.
No, you guys are geeks and losers.
You're a loser.
All of you geeks.
Loser.
Losers.
L7 meanie. You go. Chicken. L7 weenie.
Kelsey,
Loser.
is that what you're doing?
Sean is a loser.
We know. We just try not to tell him too often because it hurts his feelings.
I won't.
Kelsey, do loser for me.
Loser.
No, like Cody does. Put the L up. Put the L up. Learn, do the L.
Trying to do it for you. Oh, loser. Do it, Kelsey. Loser.
You're not quite doing it right.
Loser. Loser. Weirdo. Weirdo. Weirdo.
I've never seen that one.
Weirdo. Weirdo.
No.
Dorko. Dorko. Dorko.
You guys are dorkos now.
Dorko. Dorko.
Okay, gotta go now. Say goodbye.
Michael. Michael.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
I missed the kisses. Wait, back up, you guys. I can't see you.
up.
Hurry before the battery dies, and then we'll put new batteries in. Blow me kisses.
Kelsey, blow kisses. Mwah, bye. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
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 I love you, Kelsey.
Say bye-bye.
I love you, Kelsey.
Turn it off.
Oh. There's the Dorko. Hey, Dorko.
Losers!
Weirdo.
Weirdo? I'm not familiar.
I wasn't either.
Come on. Scare you? You don't scare me. Scare me. Sean just farted.
You guys, that's it. Yeah.
Daywatch.
You're a gay one.
Okay, tell me good night.
Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Woo, lots of kisses. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.